Have you ever wondered how to simplify getting a car and save serious money? Well, there's a financial agreement that could be your golden ticket to doing just that. It's called a novated lease. So, what exactly is a novated lease? It's a three-way agreement between an employee, their employer, and a leasing provider. This agreement allows the employee to use their pre-tax salary to cover the cost of a car and its running expenses. Imagine the potential savings you could accrue each year. Now, you might be thinking that there must be a catch. You must have to use the car for work purposes, right? Wrong. The beauty of a novated lease is that the car doesn't have to be used for work at all. It can be used solely for personal use. The novated lease provider takes care of all the administrative and compliance aspects of the agreement. This means you're free to enjoy your new ride without getting tangled up in red tape. Plus, a novated lease allows for the inclusion of all running costs in one recurring payment. No more juggling multiple bills. And there's more. With a novated lease, you also get access to fleet pricing and GST savings. This could mean even more money stays in your pocket. So, you're probably wondering how to calculate your potential savings. Some providers, like LeaseLab, offer a novated lease calculator to help you estimate how much you could save. In short, a novated lease is a smart, streamlined way to get a car and save money. It simplifies the process, potentially saving you significant cash each year. So why not consider a novated lease? It could be your key to driving the car you want without breaking the bank. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Be smart with your money. Consider a novated lease today.